Hey friends, thanks for joining me today. We need to look at the vise and how to use it effectively. All right friends, so when we work on our wood projects, we have vises that are connected to the table. It's pretty easy to install one of these vises. They have two screw holes right here that actually screw right into the table, and then they connect that way. I went ahead and on some of these tables we didn't have holes, so I drilled a 3/4 hole right here, and that way you can use a bench stop. We'll talk about that later. Your vise is super handy. You can use it to hold your project, your lumber, a couple different ways. So you can put it regular way, is what I call it, where it's up and down, and then you could make a cut. You could also take your bench stop, put it in the hole, and then use this stop on the vise that slides up and down. And now you can have it held flat so you can make your cut this way. The vise is super handy. It's really functional for us. The one thing you need to watch out for is to make sure you have a good grasp of the handle, because when it falls, that can end up pinching fingers and getting a blood blister or whatever. So just make sure you have a good hold of the handle, or let it go to the side. So this is the vise, very useful tool. We use these every single day in class, and it's super nice to have a vise. That way you don't have to hold on to it and cut. So make sure you work hard, folks, because hard work is its own reward. And thanks for watching.